Hey there everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create an RGB effect in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, allow me to jump right into it. Alright everybody, so I'm on Premiere Pro right now as shown on the screen, and essentially what we're going to do first is rename the clips so we can identify them, obviously. And essentially come over to the effect panel and come to RGB curves. Now you want to apply this to basically all of the layers. And essentially now just come over to the effect controls. Just remove these, so drag them down as we only want the red layer, well, the red channel showing up on this particular layer. Do the same with the blue layer, and now essentially just drag this one down, and this is where the magic happens. Now come over to effect controls, just drag. Now what we're going to do is basically play around with the blend mode, so just click on screen, same thing with this one, screen, and same with this one. Now move that one as well, and voila, that is how it's done. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to create an RGB effect in Premiere Pro. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback, then please do not hesitate to leave them down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.